Needing space, what does it really mean? Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we'll delve into a phrase that many English speakers use, especially in personal relationships: need space. By the end of this video, you'll understand what this phrase means, when to use it, and how it can be interpreted in different contexts. English, like many languages, has both literal and figurative meanings for words and phrases. Literal meaning: when someone says they need space, it can mean they physically need more room. For example, if a person is surrounded by many people in a crowded area, they might say, "I need some space," asking others to step back or give them room to move. Figurative meaning, more commonly, need space, is used in a metaphorical sense. It's a way for someone to express that they need a break or some time alone to think, process emotions, or make decisions. For instance, if someone is feeling overwhelmed in a relationship, they might say, "I need some space," to indicate they want a break from the relationship to reflect on things. Understanding the context in which need space is used is crucial. Personal relationships: if a partner says they need space, it usually means they need time alone to think or process emotions. It doesn't necessarily mean they want to end the relationship. Work or school: if a colleague says, "I need some space to think," they're likely asking for some quiet time to concentrate on a task or decision. Social gatherings: in a crowded place, "I need space" is a polite way to ask for room to move or breathe. Needing space is a phrase that can sometimes lead to misunderstandings. It's not always a negative. Many people assume that if someone in a relationship says they need space, it's a bad sign. While it might indicate a challenge, it can also be a healthy way for someone to recharge and return to the relationship stronger. It's about the individual, not the other person. If someone says they need space, it's often about their own feelings, emotions, or thoughts, not a reflection on the other person involved. Understanding the phrase, "need space," can help you navigate English conversations and relationships more effectively. Always remember to consider the context and ask for clarification if unsure. We hope this video has shed light on this commonly used phrase. Happy learning!